Jingle bells, Christmas smells.
Are you fucking kidding me? So not to be content with having posters, appearing on talk shows, and being pretty much the most famous animal right now, this cat also needs to go and have a movie? But not just any movie, the laziest fucking trolling movie I've ever seen. And I've seen like 5 movies. This trailer looks like something someone did in an afternoon. I was under the impression this was going to be like a cartoon or something, but no. It's just some asshole shaking a cat in front of a camera for an hour. Oh, but Tylor, that's the joke. It's the worst Christmas movie ever. Get it? Yeah, I get it. It's just not very good. See, there's being an ironic movie, and then there's just not even trying. And I'm okay with a film that's funny because of effort, but there's no effort here. The internet did all the fucking work. Hell, it doesn't even look like they wrote anything. They just copied and pasted what they got when they Googled Grumpy Cat movie. And the thing is, there were so many different ways to do this damn movie if they really wanted to, but they ended up going with the worst. The lazy movie. Not the balls to the wall action movie. Not the insane space movie. They just got a disc and wrote on it with a Sharpie. And what about the other internet cats? Are they gonna get a movie? Is there going to be a Stalin cat movie where he forces millions of other cats to work to death to defeat Hitler cat? Anyway, think about it. I gotta go spill garbage all over the kitchen. Bye.